Palm oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons.
Uh-oh. I forgot to film an intro, so I'm just going to give a quick backstory. I'm an exchange student studying in Hong Kong where there are no Nigerian restaurants, and I really miss Nigerian food, specifically okra soup, which is my favorite. So I just thought, let me do it myself. I'm going to start filming now. Bye-bye.
Let's taste all to taste.
This is what I'm working with right now. I got palm oil from this African shop. I think this is crayfish. I'm gonna call my mom again later. No, this is crayfish. Yeah, we've got the bean. Guys, this was, I think, like £5 for this small thing. What the hell? And we got Maggi. She sells the Maggi individually. This was £1 for 5 pieces. But like, bro, in Nigeria it would be so much cheaper. Even in England it would be cheaper. We got this whole bag of okra for like £2. And it's still kind of fresh. Like, it's good okra. We got this blender. It's like the cheapest blender I could get. So everything I blend, I have to cut it up into small pieces because it's like, you know, this is the beef we're working with. Onion. I'm gonna eat it with semolina because I don't like curry. I don't like. Every time I watch videos of me dancing, I just remember that time I was in a club in Italy and this nignog came up to me and was like, nothing is shaking. Every time when I say I love Italy, you are not included, sir. You are not included. Now I have to ask ChatGPT because my mom is busy right now, and I don't remember everything she said. Teach me how to make okra soup. Specifically, I'm Igbo from Anambra, Nigeria. I need it to be like Igbo okra soup, not Ghanaian, not Yoruba, Igbo, Anambra okra soup, maybe Enugu, I don't know.
Igbo okra soup, especially the Anambra Enugu style, is rich, slightly thick, and often combines fresh okra, ogbono, optional for thickness, uziza leaves, and a mix of meats and seafood for that deep umami flavor. Here's how to make it the authentic way. Okra, fresh, about 2 to 3 cups, finely chopped or grated for better draw. Palm oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons. Goat meat or beef, you can mix with shaki or pomo for richness. Crayfish, ground about 2 tablespoons. Ogbono, optional, 1 to 2 tablespoons if you want it thicker. Uziza leaves, or ugu, sliced for flavor and a touch of green. Seasoning cubes to taste, usually 1 to 2 Maggi nor cubes. Salt to taste. Ground pepper to taste, usually dry Cameroon or fresh Atarodo.
This is Cameroon.
Periwinkle, optional, but adds extra depth. Steps to make Igbo Anambra okra soup. 1. Cook the meat and stockfish. Wash and season your goat meat, beef.
Everyone's telling me different things to do. What do you mean cook the meat and stockfish? I've never heard of that before. Chat, stop. I actually don't believe this is working. Cook the meat and crayfish. Hi. Are you sure I'm meant to cook the meat in crayfish? I've never heard of that. That might not be a Nigerian thing. Can you double check, please?
Cooking meat in crayfish isn't a typical Nigerian method.
So why are you telling me to do it? So then why are you telling me to do it if it's not Nigerian?
It could be a regional or personal recipe variation. Some people get creative with ingredients. If you're unsure, you could ask for more details or try.
Just stop. Just stop. This is the amount of okra I'm going to use for today. I think I'll just, this is, no. Okay. This is the amount of okra I'm going to use. Yeah. I've been listening to too much music, so I'm going to watch The Witcher, because fun fact, I actually worked on the set for The Witcher. Over March or April, but I never watched the show. So the actresses and the actor, Henry Cavill was literally there, and I was just like, who that? No, not Henry, Liam. What's his name? Why did I think his name was Liam? Liam, Miley Cyrus' ex-boyfriend, that Liam was there, and I was like, and they were like, oh, do you want to meet Liam? I was like, oh yeah, sure. Then I realized it was Liam, whatever, Miley Cyrus' ex. I was like, oh. So now we're watching The Witcher almost a year later. Let's see it. I'm gonna start seeing everyone I saw on set, and I'm gonna realize I look like such a bitch because I wasn't sucking up to them. Okay, usually how we do it in my house is we blend some of the okra and then we still cook some of the, so it's like the slimy texture, but you can also like, I don't know how it is everywhere, because I went to a Ghanaian restaurant and there was no actual okra, it was just green slimy, and I was like, what is going on? So I'm gonna chop some of the okra really small because my blender is like really shit pretty much, and then I'm gonna mix it together. Honestly, being on exchange so far from home, not only am I in another country, but another continent, I feel like it has single-handedly gotten me more in touch with my culture. Like recently, if you saw on my TikTok, I did my own braids by myself for the first time. Now I'm cooking. Recommend, 10 out of 10. In my hand, I have a bit of salt I'm gonna put into the food. Oh my gosh, I can smell the Maggi cube, guys. It's been so long since I smelled Maggi cube just being cooked. Like, I might cry. This feels like home. Like, I feel nostalgia. Oh my gosh, I'm home again. This is what we're working with right now. So while it's cooking, let's do the okra. Let's prepare the okra.
This is your duty as king and grandfather.
Oh, it's dead. I have to charge it first. I didn't realize it's the type of blender you have to charge, so I'm gonna use my laptop charger because it's faster. Finished.
There's no water.
It is. Okay.
Are you okay?
Now there's one oil on the floor.
Sorry.
Uh-oh. Guys, my soup is really watery, so I'm gonna blend more. Honestly, I did get a thought in my head that was like, what if people don't like the smell? But then I reminded myself, this is the most international dorm in one of the most international universities in the world. So I don't give a shit. And also, one of the girls complimented it. This is how I blend it. Oh, it's very slimy now. Oh, I can't wait. Guys, I haven't had okra soup since summer, since maybe July or August.
That's good. You didn't want to learn. If you want to learn, that's how life is. Every opportunity.
Let's not do what we did last time. Okay, I've got crayfish and Cameroon pepper. I'm gonna add that into the food now. Okay, this is crayfish, right?
Yeah.
Yes, crayfish. Okay, put 2 spoons. I appreciate my mom's patience with me because every single week for years she'll call me to cook and I'm like, no, I don't want to. Now look who's coming back. Wow, Mommy! Yay! Guys, I can smell it. It's been so long since I had okra soup.
Thank you.
And yes, I did lick the spoon because you know who else is gonna be eating from this? Nobody. Me, myself, and I. Okay, I'm alone. I'm alone in Hong Kong. Mommy, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, let me make it. Yeah.
Once you cut your okra, you add it. That's it. It's to be done.
Yeah, it looks done. Hold on.
Next time you can make it yourself.
Oh yeah, definitely. This is actually very simple. This is like making like.
It's very easy.
Like making
okra can finish okra in less than 40 minutes.
I'm so proud. I'm so proud of myself. Okay.
Proud of yourself, and you proud of yourself that I'm teaching you.
Yes. Okay, the last step is just the big okra that I add inside, and then it's pretty much done at this time. Definitely needs more salt. Besides that, it literally tasted like my mom's. So I'm gonna start making the semolina. I can do that without my mom's help, I think. I need to pee, by the way, but I don't want to leave my food, so I've just been like holding it for like almost an hour. Okay, so personally, I've never had this brand of semolina, but the guy in the shop, it was like an Indian shop, he was like, this is what all the Africans are getting, this is the best semolina, no. So I swear, because my food already tastes like 10 out of 10. If the semolina is as chunky and crunchy as it looks, someone has to go away. I'm gonna call my sister because she actually is better than me at making semolina. I may or may not have never made it myself before. So yeah, one sec. Wait. Okay. Be stirring it. Guys, I don't think that's how it's supposed to work.
Guys, who would have thought that my downfall in this whole process would be the semolina? Simple, simple semolina you cannot make. Okra soup you can do easily. Semolina is a problem. And I thought, let me put it in the microwave, get it fixed up. Just when I thought I finally fixed it and was ready to go, look what happens here.
What's enough one here?
Don't press it, add hot water and that's what I say stop because it's going to might get so
I
hard.
know some of you are probably thinking I should throw it away and start again. Honestly, I thought so too. But in this economy, and I live in Hong Kong, one of the most expensive cities in the world, I'll eat that clumps up. I'll eat it.
What have I done? Yay! It's been so long. It's been too long. Yeah, no, go for it. Yeah. Wow! ignore the mess. I'm very proud. This is literally okra soup. It's done. Thank you, mommy.
So at this point, I'm just washing up because I have this thing. If I cook, I cannot actually sit down and settle and eat my food unless everything is washed up, put away. I don't know why. Maybe because I grew up in a Nigerian household. Maybe I'm a neat freak. I don't know, but I had to do it.
Okay, guys, let's dig in. Oh my gosh, I had to reheat it a couple of times. But look, yeah, I got some semo. This is not aesthetic at all, but I don't care because I'm hungry and I'm excited to eat. The soup, amazing, tastes wonderful. The semo, I think it was too hard, so next time I'll put less semo, more water. Please. Let me really get the full taste. Let me dip it with my hand. Well done to me. Give me a high five. Ah. If you are Nigerian and you're also away from home, or you're like at uni, or you just like, I don't know, for some reason you don't have access to your parents' cooking, do it yourself. It's actually not that hard. It's actually not that hard. Just do it yourself. Because this has cured it's been 9 months since I had okra soup, and the homesickness is gone.